Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's assign that menu in our previous project, guys. As you remember, we created full website project with grid. Let me run that project for you guys. You see, that is our project. I want to add our new menu at here. Let me open CSS2. I just need to copy that navigation area, copy, and just make it disable that area, then paste it here and save it, and open the CSS and copy the whole CSS, copy and open that CSS, guys. Let's get bottom of our CSS file, but I need to disable those CSS because the new CSS for UL and LI. Just make it disable and just put it here. You can make comment responsive menu start, responsive menu ending. Make it disable and paste our CSS here, and let me add another one. You see we assigned some CSS for general purposes. Let's copy that one too and just put it here. So we already used those things, we don't need those things, and let's save it. And also we need to change one more thing, guys. We have two navigation CSS. We need to make one of them disable. That one. I want to copy that code, guys, and put in our new navigation tag and save it. And lastly, we just need to add our font awesome link in our project because we can't see the icon because we haven't added our font awesome in our project. Let's add our font awesome in our project and save it. You see, guys, we see the icon. Let's click it. We see the menu. We can use our menu in our project like this. Let's move my logo a little bit left side. I just need to change my logo. I don't need that one. And let's plot left and save it. And it is on the right place. You see, guys, it's working perfectly. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.